Hey guys, this is a 2001 Coleman by Fleetwood Utah CP. Um, it needs the front box is really pretty messed up on this. I've done a lot of work on it, but keeping these things up over the years takes its toll. So let's go take a look at the front box. And today we're going to be removing the heater, the water heater. But here's the front box, and as you can see, I tried to make some modifications by adding these 2x4s to keep this thing straight, but it's not happening. And we've had to use Gorilla Tape and all sorts of stuff to try and make this thing work. What I want to do today is actually take out that water heater right there. It's got a propane line, 2 water lines obviously. That top one, like it's marked, is hot. The bottom one coming in is not hot. And here, I'll walk this around. I'm going to try and put this on a tripod. You got to make sure you do things like make sure the electrical and propane's all off. Let's see where we are with that. So this one's not connected. This one is connected. It's closed, so that's good. Alright, so first things first, let's take the door off. If you'll notice, this is broken. We just put a bolt in there to keep that going. While we're here, might as well take all these screws out. My mistake, they're actually bolts. Kind of glued on there, or silicone or something like that. Probably silicone, just because it's water. There we go. All those are out. Alright, next thing is I'm going to take this propane off. You guys might not be able to see it, so I'm going to take the camera off here. So right there, that needs to come off. So let me do that real quick and we'll see how that goes. Alright, I got it loose with the adjustable wrench there. Really just essentially back it off, honestly. That's all it is. So that's pretty much backed off there. Now, inside here, so that's where that guy goes. So when we pull this all apart, that's going to come with it, stay on this guy. And then, just got to loosen these two guys up, but I am going to go get a towel because I'm pretty sure this is going to make a big wet mess. Alright, so I got the towel, and I'm going to give this a shot, which didn't work. So let me get the camera set over here. Now you guys can watch from afar, but not too far. Let's see. Let me set this right on there. Alright. And there it is, just draining on out. So, here's our hole. Got a nice little wood block that it was sitting on. Smooth that out of the way. So, sucker's ready to go. That was easy. Easy, easy. Let's get a new one, put it in there. Hook up the propane, the 2 water lines on a new box, and we'll be all set.